Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer of that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the heated steering wheel is located, which fuse and relay you need to check for the heated steering wheel, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The heated steering wheel fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer right here. By the way, guys, okay, we'll be working a fuse box that's not so convenient. It's a little bit hard to get to. We need to open the driver door. Then you come to the driver's side footwell compartment. Look behind the parking brake panel. If you look up in the dash on the left side, all the way up, you will notice a fuse box with a black cover like this one. Press the two tabs here, pull that cover out. You're going to find a fuse box. That's the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Coming here this way, what we guys need to check, if we come from very top, that's the first row, fuse 1 through 18, that's fuse 19 through 29, and the third row from top to bottom, that's fuse 30 to 39. Starting here, guys, after that relay, that's 33, 34, 35, 36. Fuse number 36 is the one that you will, guys, need to check specifically for the heated steering wheel. What about relay? You don't have a relay for the heated steering wheel. That's practically controlled by the body control module, so that you have only that fuse. That's known as a relay fuse. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.